Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data stores in Make. Data stores are a powerful feature, acting like a simple database directly within your Make account. They enable your scenarios to remember information between runs, which is incredibly useful for maintaining state or tracking progress. Think of them as a dedicated space where your automations can store and access specific pieces of data whenever needed, making your workflows much more dynamic and intelligent. To create a new data store, first head over to the Data Stores section in your Make dashboard. Click the Add a Data Store button and give it a clear, descriptive name. The next crucial step is defining your data structure. You'll add fields, specifying their type, such as text, number, or Boolean. This structure ensures consistency and helps organize the information your scenarios will be storing, making it easy to manage and retrieve later. Once your data store is set up, you can start interacting with it using modules in your scenarios. To store information, simply use the Add a Record module, mapping your scenario data to the fields you defined. When you need to get data back, the Search Records module is your go-to. You can filter by specific criteria, like an ID or a name, to retrieve exactly the information you need for your next steps in the automation. Data stores are incredibly versatile. For instance, you can track the status of an order, ensuring it's processed only once, or maintain a count of how many times a specific event has occurred. They are also perfect for storing configuration settings or small lookup tables, like a list of email addresses for notifications. By leveraging data stores, your Make scenarios become more robust, intelligent, and capable of handling complex, multi-step processes with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.